Good morning, dear students. Today we will start with the lesson number 2 of value education, that is pleasant truth. So let's start the chapter. Children, while listening the video, all of you should have your books with you, and those who do not have the books with them, they can follow the video. But remember to keep the pencils in your hand so that you may be knowing where I am reading. So let's start the chapter. Sometimes we face a situation when we have to choose between two people without annoying either of them. We have to be very tactful in such a situation. Children, sometimes we face a situation in our life where we have to choose between two people and without annoying, without making any one of them angry. So we have to be very tactful in such a situation. So whenever we face such a situation, we have to be very tactful. We have to be very careful what to say or do, because we cannot make any one of them angry. Children, हम सभी अपनी लाइफ में कई बार ऐसी सिचुएशंस फेस करते हैं जब हमें दो लोगों में से किसी एक को चुनना होता है, लेकिन हम दोनों में से किसी को नाराज भी नहीं कर सकते, अनॉय नाराज. सो ऐसी सिचुएशन में हमें क्या होना पड़ता है, बहुत केयरफुल कि हमें क्या कहना है, क्या करना है, क्योंकि हम किसी को भी वी कैन नॉट अनॉय एनी वन ऑफ देम. सो इन दिस स्टोरी we will see that how a rich merchant, Vyapari, a businessman, he saved his life by speaking a pleasant truth. He speak the truth that please both the goddesses, and he also saved his life from being ruined. Ruined means destroy, spoil. कि इस स्टोरी में हम एक ऐसे रिच मर्चेंट के बारे में पढ़ेंगे जिसने प्लीजिंग ट्रुथ बोल के दोनों गॉडेसेस को प्लीज किया और अपनी लाइफ को डिस्ट्रॉय, स्पॉइल होने से बचा लिया. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द स्टोरी. Once the goddess of poverty, Jeshta Devi, and the goddess of wealth, Lakshmi Devi, were strolling in the garden. Children, strolling means walking, टहलना. So once the goddess of poverty means निर्धनता, गरीबी. So who was the goddess of poverty? Jeshta Devi. And the goddess of wealth, we all know who is the goddess of wealth, Dhanki Devi, Lakshmi Devi. So both the goddesses, they were strolling in the garden. So जो दोनों goddesses होती हैं वो garden में टहल रही होती हैं. They were busy talking about the acts of man in the world, and both the goddesses, they were busy in talking about the action, about the deeds of men in the world. Suddenly they had an argument as to who was more beautiful. Suddenly, अचानक से both the goddesses, they had an argument. Argument means बहस, as to who was more beautiful. तो अचानक से दोनों गॉडेसेस के बीच में क्या हो जाती है, बहस, कि उन दोनों में ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल कौन है. When they were arguing, a rich merchant happened to pass by. और जब दोनों गॉडेसेस आर्ग्यू कर रही होती हैं, at that time only a rich merchant, a rich businessman, he happened to pass by. वो वहाँ से गुजरता है. The goddesses stopped the merchant and asked him to resolve their dispute. So both the goddesses, they stopped the merchant and asked him to resolve, to find a solution to their argument. So दोनों goddesses उस merchant को रोकती हैं और उससे कहती हैं कि वो उनके argument का क्या करे, उसे resolve करे, उसका solution बताए उनको. The goddesses disclosed their identity. So both the goddesses, they disclosed to make known their identity. So जो दोनों goddesses होती हैं वो merchant को अपनी पहचान बता देती हैं, that I am the goddess of poverty Jeshta Devi and I am the goddess of wealth Lakshmi Devi. and told him the matter. And both of them, they told him all the matter, that both of them were strolling in the garden, and all of a sudden they had an argument as to who was more beautiful. Now the merchant was at loss to say anything. After listening this, the merchant, he was at loss to say anything. Matlab he didn't understand what to say, what to do. If he said that Lakshmi Devi was more beautiful of the two, he was afraid that Jeshta Devi would curse his life with poverty. Because if he said that Lakshmi Devi was more beautiful of the two, क्योंकि अगर मर्चेंट ये कहता है कि लक्ष्मी देवी उन दोनों में सबसे ज़्यादा सुंदर है, he was afraid that Jeshta Devi would curse his life. So he was afraid that the goddess of poverty, Jeshta Devi, she would curse his life. Curse means to say rude, offensive words, shrap, with poverty. So, and if he said that Jeshta Devi was more beautiful of the two, then Lakshmi Devi might get annoyed and leave his house forever. And if the merchant said that Jeshta Devi was more beautiful of the two, then Lakshmi Devi, she might get annoyed, angry, and leave his house forever, और हमेशा के लिए उसका घर छोड़ के चली जाएंगी. So the merchant, he didn't understand what to say, क्योंकि अगर वो कहता है कि लक्ष्मी देवी दोनों में सबसे अधिक सुंदर है, तो उसको ये डर है कि ज्येष्ठा देवी, she would curse his life with poverty. And if he said that ज्येष्ठा देवी, she was more beautiful of the two, तो लक्ष्मी देवी उससे नाराज हो जाएंगी और हमेशा के लिए उसका घर छोड़ के चली जाएंगी. The merchant was worried as to how to please both of them. Now the merchant, he was worried as to how to please. Please means how to make both the goddesses happy without making either of the goddesses angry, because he didn't want to make any of the goddesses angry, क्योंकि वो नहीं चाहता था कि वो किसी भी goddess को नाराज करे. He then thought of an idea to please both the goddesses. Then he had an idea how to please, how to make happy both the goddesses, कि दोनों goddesses को कि किस तरीके से happy किया जा सकता है. He replied means to give answer. He replied, "O Lakshmi Devi, no doubt you are more beautiful than any other women on earth or heaven when you enter a house." So the merchant, he said, "O Lakshmi Devi, there is no doubt that you are more beautiful than any other women on earth or heaven." Heaven means स्वर्ग, कि इस धरती पे और स्वर्ग में आपसे ज़्यादा या आपसे अधिक सुंदर और कोई नहीं है. When you enter a house, when you enter a house of a person, there is no doubt that you are the more beautiful than any other woman on earth or heaven. But O Jeshta Devi, your grace and elegance is matchless when you depart from a house. But he said, O Jeshta Devi, your grace means your beauty, and elegance means again your grace, your style is matchless when you depart from a house. जब आप घर से जाती हैं तो आपकी ब्यूटी, आपकी ग्रेस, आपके स्टाइल जो है वो मैचलेस है. सो What did the merchant replied? वो कहता है कि लक्ष्मी देवी, इस धरती पे और स्वर्ग में आपसे अधिक सुंदर कोई नहीं है जब आप घर में एंटर होती हैं. और ज्येष्ठा देवी, आपकी ब्यूटी और आपका ग्रेस, आपका स्टाइल मैचलेस है जब आप घर से जाती हैं. डिपार्ट मीन्स टू लीव द हाउस. Both the goddesses were satisfied with his answer. So both the goddesses, after hearing this answer, they were happy, they were satisfied, and they blessed him. Thus, using a trick by speaking a pleasant truth, the merchant saved his life from being ruined. So, children, we see that how the merchant, by speaking a pleasant truth, he speak a truth that pleased both the goddesses, and he saved his life from being ruined. Ruined means from being destroyed, from being spoiled. तो हमने इस स्टोरी में क्या देखा कि जो मर्चेंट है उसने प्लीजेंट ट्रुथ बोल के, मतलब ऐसा ट्रुथ जिसने दोनों गॉडेसेस को क्या कर दिया, सेटिस्फाइड, प्लीज कर दिया, अपनी लाइफ को रूइन होने से बचा लिया. तो चिल्ड्रेन, हम सबकी लाइफ में कभी ना कभी ऐसी सिचुएशन आती है जब हमें दो लोगों में से किसी एक को चुनना होता है, और हम दोनों में से कभी मतलब किसी को भी नाराज़ नहीं कर सकते। तो ऐसी सिचुएशन में हमें बहुत केयरफुल होना चाहिए, कुछ भी कहने में और कुछ भी करने में, like the merchant. So I hope that you have enjoyed the story. Thank you.